Good day! In this video, we will talk about the disease whooping cough, its symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment. Whooping cough is also known as pertussis. It is a highly infectious disease caused by the bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. The bacteria that causes whooping cough is spread by aerosol droplets released during coughing and mainly affects infants and young children. The infection is called whooping cough because of the whoop sounds that occur in young children caused by sharp inhalation of breaths during bouts of coughing. Now, whooping cough has got three phases of symptoms. The first lasts approximately a week or 2 weeks, and it is characterized by the development of a dry unproductive cough and often a runny nose, red and watery eyes, a sore throat, and a slightly raised temperature. The second phase lasts for a month and it is characterized by coughing fits, whooping occasionally and followed by vomiting. And the last phase may last an additional 2 months or more and it is characterized by gradual improvement and reduction in the frequency and severity of the symptoms. Now let's talk about how whooping cough is diagnosed and be treated. Well, whooping cough should be suspected if a person has got an acute cough that has lasted for 14 days or more without another apparent cause and they've got one or more of the following features. So first is a paroxysmal cough. This means of coughing that comes on suddenly. The second is an inspiratory whoop. The third is vomiting after the coughing fit. And the fourth are undiagnosed short period of stopping breathing in young infants, also known as apneas. Now let's have a final discussion about the treatment of whooping cough. Well, the treatment of these will depend on age and how long you've had an infection. If your whooping cough is severe or if a baby is 6 months old and has where you think of, you'll usually need treatment in hospital. If diagnosed within 3 weeks of the infection, you'll typically be given an antibiotic to help stop it spreading to others and also to try and help reduce the symptoms in ourselves. If you had a whooping cough for more than 3 weeks, then classically, you will no longer contagious and you don't need antibiotics. However, this will again depending on a clinical assessment done by a doctor. Now you are contagious for about 6 days after the start of the cold-like symptoms to 3 weeks after the coughing starts, but antibiotics can reduce the amount of the time that you are contagious for. Whooping cough is a notifiable disease, and if you have it, you'll need to let public health know and to seek an urgent medical attention immediately. I hope you have learned in this video. This is Jave de Guzman reminding, if symptoms persist, consult your doctor.